For you to get started, all you need to do is to go to CapCut. Okay, go to CapCut. So let's assume, okay, let me just select a video. All right, let me select this video. So let's assume you've already applied all the premium features, okay, the pro features and everything. Okay, all you need to do is just turn on your screen record. Okay, normally if you don't have the pro feature, or sorry, because normally if you don't have the pro version or the pro feature, okay, there's no way you are going to export your video. Like, you will not be allowed to export your video. So instead of clicking export here, after you must have applied all the features necessary, okay, after you must, for example, now if you want to use this retouch now, click on face, and then you want to apply the retouch. You can see this sign here is showing that it is a paid one. Okay, let's assume you want to use face. You can see this one is paid. You can use smooth without paying. These ones are actually free. Let's assume you now use all these features that are paid and you're not on the pro version or the premium version. You can actually, download your videos without exporting them or without any issue. Okay, so all you need to do is to just turn on your screen recorder. You can see my screen recorder is on. You turn it on and then you play. I'm going to play it now. Everything will be recording on my screen.
Just come as you are. Don't be afraid of your scars. If love is deeper than your pain, His grace will wash it all away. Jesus, I'm coming.
Okay, now I've actually recorded this thing right now. Okay, now after recording it or after doing this video, normally I'm supposed to click on export to export it, right? I don't have to click on export. All I need to do is to just save my screen recording. Okay, I'll save my screen recording. Just watch what I'm going to do. Now you can see this video is having dream face animated with AI. That is actually a watermark on the video. So let me show you how you can actually remove watermark from any video. So just tap on the video. Just tap on the video. And then you scroll down. You can see crop. Okay, just crop it out. Okay, and then click on save. Very well. Okay. Okay, and then just adjust it to fit the shape. Okay, so I've actually cropped that out. Okay, now let us save our work. See, you don't have to say, remember, you can't export because you're not using Pro feature, right? Okay, so just save your screen. I've just saved my screen. Tap on my screen. So this is the video I just did. I'm just going to scroll to where the video is. Okay, I'm going to scroll to where the video is. Tap on edit. Okay, I'll just edit. Come here and then play with all the whole pro features on this video. As a matter of fact, I actually have exporting them or without any issue. Okay, so all you need to do is to just turn on your screen recorder. So I'll just scroll to where the video is starting. Play. I'm going to play it now. Everything will be recording on my screen.
Don't be afraid of your scars. If love is deeper than your pain, His grace
I've just taken it to where the video is. I'm just going to crop out all of this part. All of this part. I'll crop it out. Okay.
Don't afraid of your scars. If love is deeper than your pain,
Then save it. Now that I've saved it, we are now left with only this part that is singing. I'm just going to click on crop. I'll just drag it down, and then save again. Then if I now play it now, it's not going to be left with only the video where the video is playing. Okay?
Don't be afraid of your scars. If love is deeper than your pain.
So by so doing, I have my video out of CapCut without exporting. Okay? Without exporting. I don't know why this thing I cut out is still showing. I can still crop it out again from here. Remember, this is not CapCut section. Okay? I've cropped my cut. I'll just save it.
Don't be afraid of your scars. If love is deeper than your pain, His grace will wash it all away. Jesus, I'm coming.
Okay, now I've actually recorded this thing right now. Okay, now after recording it or after doing this video, normally I'm supposed to click on export to export it, right? I don't have to click on export. All I need to do is to just save my screen recording. Okay, I'll save my screen recording. So guys, this is literally how you can actually use CapCut Pro, CapCut features, in case you do not have money yet to buy the pro version or pay for the premium features. Okay, and when you have your money, you don't have to go through all this stress. Just subscribe. Okay, I subscribe to the premium feature and I don't go through all this stress. All right, if you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.